Teachers and principals form the foundation of the educational process, and it is important to have nationally representative data on the characteristics and experiences of these key staff. The National Teacher and Principal Survey, or NTPS, provides descriptive data on the context of elementary and secondary education in America. As the country's primary source of information on teachers and administrators, the survey gives policymakers vital statistics on the condition of education in the United States. Historically, NCES collected data from school staff using the Schools and Staffing Survey, or SAS. Since 1987, SAS has provided data that made it possible to answer critical questions about schools, teachers, principals, and students. This includes questions about teacher preparation, principals' goals, and how the workforce has changed over time. NCES updated the SAS to reflect changes to the structure of teaching and new opportunities to integrate data from a variety of different sources. NCES launched NTPS, the new survey, in the 2015-16 school year. NTPS includes updated content that addresses pressing topics like online courses and teacher and principal evaluations. NTPS includes several different but related questionnaires that collect data from multiple points within a school. The teacher questionnaire includes questions about teacher satisfaction, use of instructional software in the classroom, and first-year teaching experiences, along with questions on the characteristics of teachers. Here's a first look at some of the data from the survey. In 2015-16, over 40% of public school teachers had 15 or more years of teaching experience. By contrast, 15% of teachers had less than 4 years of experience. The average base salary for regular full-time teachers in 2015-16 was $55,100. Salaries differed by school level and ranged from $54,300 for primary school teachers to $57,400 for high school teachers. The principal questionnaire asks questions on parent or guardian involvement, frequency of problems such as bullying, how teachers and principals are evaluated, and principals' top goals, along with questions on the characteristics of principals. In 2015-16, a majority of public school principals were white. About 11% of principals were Black, 8% were Hispanic, and 3% were of other races and ethnicities. The school questionnaire asks about topics like the length of the school day, how difficult it is to fill vacancies at the school, online course offerings, and school start times. In 2015-16, high schools had the earliest start times, with an average start time of 7:59 a.m. Primary schools had the latest start times, with an average start time of 8:17 a.m. Visit nces.ed.gov to learn more about the NTPS and to find out more about teachers, principals, and schools in the United States.